My name is Adam Rubsum. I'm the president here at TriTech Automation. Here at TriTech, we're focusing in on turnkey solutions for our clients and customers solving everyday manufacturing challenges. We're mainly in the food and bev space. We do some oil and gas and some consumer product as well. Process centric is really where we're at, serving many industries. We're a full turnkey service provider, so we're doing everything in-house here. So we'll do all the front-end engineering and consulting, panel design, panel fabrication, installation services, testing, commissioning, kind of a true turnkey provider. A lot of our emphasis in investment right now is definitely in the process and the power space. So unlike a traditional systems integrator kind of dealing in the control side, we're also dealing in the power. So the low voltage and medium voltage switchgear, low voltage and medium voltage MCCs, and then the process end, we're focusing in on the instrumentation and valving as well. At the end of the day, it's our people. We've got a deep bench of folks with a variety of skill sets that are really focusing in on our customers' goals and challenges, trying to help them solve and win in the market and do what they do. So if I had to boil it down, it's definitely our people.